guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to reset Iveco radio. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're looking for a way to reset your radio here, so this one is going to be kind of easy but also kind of complicated, because what you need to do first here is you need to look for the reset button. So the reset button might be different depending on what model you currently have. So sometimes it may be a very small pinhole here that you could basically press and hold using a pin, or a button that specifically says that has the reset label on it. But yeah, so you want to go and look for something similar to that. Now, once you've actually found the reset button, what you need to do is you just, again, like what I said before, you just need to use your paper clip or something similar to that, as long as you can reach the actual button at the very end of that pinhole, and just hold it for about like 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a clicking sound or see a light flash on the radio itself. Now, in this case, all you need to do is you just need to let the radio automatically process itself, so it will power back on once you've done this, or reboot itself. Now, by the way, you could try this by pressing the reset button if it turned on or turned off. So the steps may vary depending on your model again, so it's best to refer to your model for the specific steps for this one. Now, in this case, usually once you press the reset button, it will reboot your radio, and once the radio is back or turned on, you go ahead and test if the issue or any issues have been fixed and see if it's now fully reset. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.